Hey guys, welcome back to another new exciting video. Here you see that all of these big tech companies CEO like Elon Musk and also Microsoft, Satya Nadella and also Mark Zuckerberg from Meta and Jensen Huang from NVIDIA, they are signing a letter, and this is the letter OpenAI and American AI leadership. This is the policy statement, or you can say a open letter, got published on July 24, 26 to support the open weight model. Basically, we have seen that whenever a new model gets published and if that model is powerful, then US government put restrictions to publish that model, and publicly these models cannot get available, right? And if that model is closed source or open weights that does not get differentiated, US government put the restrictions. And that is why here you see this is the post from Jensen Huang, who is the CEO of NVIDIA. For my first post, I am sharing a letter that NVIDIA signed on why open models matter. AI will transform every industry, power every company, and be built by every country. Open models strengthen safety, cybersecurity, and accelerate innovations and diffusion and enable sovereignty. The world needs both frontier closed model and frontier open model. Like we have the Minimax M2.7, Minimax M3 model, and also DeepSeek models, and also Kimi K3 model, which is the great model. I recently made a comparison between this Kimi K3 and Opus 5, and I have shown you that how this open model is actually very powerful, and also the GLM 5.2, right? So that's why here you see Satya Nadella, who is the CEO of Microsoft, he is also saying open weight models are essential to a healthy AI ecosystem. Together with other across our industry, we are outlining a path for open weight models to strengthen American competitiveness and expand economic opportunity while protecting the national security. Now, here if you go inside this open letter, there are a lot of things they have written. In simple ways, I will explain you that what actually they have written. Okay, so the first point is that keep open weight models legal. So many governments are considering the restrictions on releasing the powerful AI models that anyone can download, and the signatories are saying that don't ban the open weight model, don't require approval before releasing them. Let companies continue publishing the downloadable model. Then only we'll get more open model, right? And you see, they have also written this. Open weight models means the AI models that anyone can download, inspect, modify, and run on their own infrastructure are an important part of that foundation because they make advanced AI more accessible, adaptable, and widely available, right? Now, the second point is that invest public money in AI infrastructure. That means they are asking to fund things like GPU compute for startups and universities, public data set, also the evaluation benchmarks, and also the AI research infrastructure. So the idea is to make it easier for smaller players, not just the big tech companies, to build the AI. Now there is a one point regarding the distillation. So if you search here distillation and distillation, yes, this is the point. Here you see. So what they have written here, protect model distillation. This is an important point because you see there are a lot of companies who are actually taking one company's model and making their own model, right? Now let's say company A made a very powerful model, and now company B can improve its own model by learning from company A's data, right? Or you can say by learning from company A's output, and that is called distillation that we all know. Now here you are not copying the model weight, you are actually learning from company A's powerful model, and that responses you are using, or that response data set you are using for making the company B's model very powerful. And the letter is saying that distillation is a normal engineering technique. It should not be broadly outlawed. If someone actually steals the intellectual property, then only punish that company for specifically for that purpose. Okay. Otherwise, don't ban the distillation process. Anyone actually can learn from any others. Now, another point that they have kept, prevent AI from becoming a monopoly. So they are arguing against a future where only two or three companies own all advanced AI. So instead, they want many model creator, many cloud provider, many AI applications, many businesses able to run the AI themselves. And this actually benefits many of the companies signing the letter because they build chips, cloud services, developer tools, or enterprise software that thrive in a competitive ecosystem. And also another point, influence the government policy before new regulation arrive. So this is probably the biggest objective because the US government is actively deciding how to regulate the frontier AI. By publishing this letter together, companies are sending a unified message that open weight AI is good for America. Please write laws that encourages it instead of restricting it. Okay, now you will say that why would so many companies signing Meta, NVIDIA, and also Elon Musk, SpaceX? Why so many companies? So basically, if you just scroll down below, here you will find that all of the companies name is here currently. Okay, means Olama is also there, and also Hugging Face is there, IBM there, Mozilla is there. Why so many companies signing? Actually, they compete with each other. We know that all of them are actually publishing different models. They are competing with each other, but they share an interest in keeping the AI ecosystem relatively open because see, NVIDIA sell GPUs. So if there is more AI development, that means NVIDIA can sell more GPU. They will be benefited. And also AMD, they will be benefited from more AI compute demand. Also Cloudflare, Dell, Cisco, they will benefit when more organizations will deploy the AI. And also Hugging Face will be benefited if they host and distribute the open models. Meta has also invested heavily in releasing the open models. Okay, so that is why they are actually more interested. So I hope the point of this letter actually you have got, and this is the thing that I wanted to share with you guys. This is a great initiative that they have taken. Here all of the companies will be benefited, and yes, if you have found this video helpful guys, don't forget to subscribe this channel to get all of these latest AI related news and innovations, what is happening in AI, daily updates you will get. So see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye bye, take care.